Use this simple tactic to get top dollar on your home sale. Update it prior to listing. This is more important now than it has been in prior years. See, the current era of buyers prefer to buy a home that is turnkey as opposed to something that needs improvements for three key reasons. Number one, they can move in right away. With housing costs as high as they are, buyers do not want to keep their current house while renovating a new home. Number two, deal with contractors. There's a lot of work to deal with contractors, from bids to starting the project to following up from start to completion. And number three, pay for improvements out of pocket. See, even if a new home is more expensive, buyers can build this into their financing. Therefore, they do not have to come up with those expenses or cash out of pocket. As a seller, updating your home prior to listing is a great way to get top dollar out of your home. And remember, there are many programs such as HELOCs or seller prep loans that will help to get equity out of your house that you can use for these improvements prior to listing with no cash out of pocket.